Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Prakash Sharma and my project topic is Green Campus App. In my project, including me, there are three members named Rohit Ahuja and Mayank Songirkar. This is our Green Campus app where user have to register if he is not registered on the app. If he is already a member, then he can directly go to the login section. First, we have to create a new ID. We have to create a password. This must be the numeric one. User can check with this checkbox that he have written same password in both the password section or not. Then user have to click to register. Then it shows a alert that user is registered. Now we have see here already have an account login here. If we click here, then we will go directly to the login page. Now the login. We have created the ID. Now we will proceed to login. Here user also check the password and login. This is our app where user is successfully logged. This is user account where he can see the college profile, and he can check the notice board. He can check the faculty details, and he can also check his profile. It takes some time to load. Just see the ID which I have created. After that, we will move to the admin profile. From the my profile, the person can log out from his account. I have given the faculty contact to the admin profile. All the faculty are able to log in with their contact number and password as 123 and serve the admin privilege. Now we are logged to the admin profile. Here we can see a change in the sidebar menu where the admin can send e-notice and the student contact detail notice and my profile section. Let's first of all let's upload a green campus. No, let's send a e-notice. Title: holiday, description, Good Friday, send to all, then send, success. It is delivered to all the students. Now we can check here. See, we have got the notice in our notice section. After that, here we get the student profile. As we have mentioned, we have created new ID, and with the selected year BE, so it came in BE. In my profile, same as in the user profile, now we will go to upload pictures, select image, image selected. Now we will post. It shows an alert box with your picture has been uploaded. Now we will see this when we log in again. Because it take time to update, as we have used a free database. The picture has been uploaded successfully. Notice is also visible here in the admin. Now let's see it is visible in the user account or not. We will log in with the ID we have created. The image is also visible on user account. Let's see the e-notice board. Here the notice is also available. That's all about our app.